Working on the General Mayhem today. We got a line lock we're going to install, and the reason we're doing a line lock today, having that I've actually worked on this car, I did a disc brake conversion to the front, 11-inch drum brakes for the RT and rear. Everything's bled and actually working properly and adjusted. This thing doesn't do very good burnouts. So it either pushes the front end or you hit the brakes so hard that everything locks up and it doesn't do burnout at all. So we're going to fix that and get this line lock installed. So with that, I've already taken my brake line off because that needed some modification. So I had that taken to Napa. So this is the brake lines for the front brakes. What I ended up doing was cutting it, separating it, and having two new flare nuts put on. So now what I can basically do is install this in between here somewhere. So I have two unions I'll put on, and I got a couple other sizes of just universal brake lines, and I'll route them and run them, and I'll end up mounting this to the inner fender and have this in line now, and then we'll get it wired up. Along with everything else that I have project wise, there's no booklet of how to do this, so it's pretty much just figuring it out for yourself. And where I want to put this, it's really up to me, and it looks like I was kind of looking at it. I originally was thinking I wanted to put this down on the frame rail, but it might be kind of hard getting it down there, and it might be hard getting the lines down there as well and get everything cleared and clear the exhaust and keep it away from exhaust, stuff like that. So I think actually where I was looking, back here on the firewall, kind of hidden behind the master cylinder, looks like it's going to be the best spot for this. It'll be away from the heat, it'll be out of the way of everything else, and I think that should end up working with no issues. We'll see. What?
Well, it's always good news when Floyd pulls out the instruction manual.
Well, I think because of how I mounted that in there, I may have possibly gotten those backwards.
Huh.
Yeah. So, last night got the line lock hooked up and it didn't work. So, I think we had a few too many beers and got it, ended up just going to bed. It was late. Got up today, got it fixed properly, got the lines flip-flopped, and so it actually works, and let's give it a shot and see how well.